So over here you can see that I have this particular contact sheet and I got access to this particular contact sheet by going around onto the output workspace. So to do that, you need to go to Windows Workspace and then go to the output section. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that over here on the right hand side, you got the output settings. So I can go around over here onto the header and footer section. And here what you can do is you can go around and include out header and footer as you like. So let's just go around over here and center align this out right here. And in the header, what you can do is, let's say for example, you can go ahead and say sample, let's say for example, sample contact sheet right here, just like this. You can go ahead and left align it, you can center align it or right align it as you like. You can also go around and choose, let's say, a particular font as you like right here, and you can go ahead and change out the size of that font as well. I can go around, change around the header size right here, change the divider side for the header right here just like this as well, and change around the divider color for the header as well, and this is what you have. Similarly, I can go around over here and let's say I'm going to simply write in sample, and I can go ahead and choose a particular font for this, choose a particular size for this, and I can choose let's say a style and choose a color for the particular font as well, just like this. I can change around the footer size, the divider size right here, and the divider color for this as well. So this is what I have. Let me just go around over here and let's say for example go to the grid and change around the rows right here. So I got multiple pages of the contact sheet, as you can see, just like this. So now you can go around onto header and footer and you can go ahead and include, let's say for example, page number right here as well. So location is header left, as you can see, just like this. You can go around onto center right here, or you can go around onto footer right here as well. You can also go around and change around the size of the number as well, and you can go ahead and change, let's say for example, a particular font as well. And you can also go around with different styles right here and different colors as you want, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the contact sheet header and footer settings inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.